Welcome back to MIN 6344. This week we will discuss how to give effective feedback. We will answer the following questions. What is the purpose of feedback? What are the advantages of giving and receiving feedback? And what is an effective technique for giving that feedback? Linda Nielsen, in her book, Teaching at Its Best, states that the purpose of feedback is to help students perform skills better. If students start out doing something imperfectly and never receive feedback, how will they learn to do it better? Next, what are the advantages of giving and receiving feedback? First, you learn how to improve your skills, but you also develop communication and critical thinking skills. Feedback encourages collaboration and enhances lifelong learning skills. In our discussion concerning feedback, we need to understand that most people care about how they are perceived by others. Our brains are actually hardwired to care about how people respond to us. Positive feedback brings pleasure, and negative feedback produces the sensation of pain. So how can we reduce the painful aspect of feedback? We can focus on revising rather than fixing behavior. Directive feedback focuses on fixing the problem and is perceived as telling someone what to do. Revising, however, focuses more on asking questions that require a student to rethink rather than just retype, and tries to present it in a supportive but challenging way that reduces triggering a painful sensation. Affirming what a student is trying to accomplish while also encouraging and offering specific recommendations for improvement will reduce a negative response to your feedback. You can begin by focusing on their strong points. For example, the introduction was good, and then add, but here is a suggestion on how to make it better. Have you tried? And then give them a recommendation. Let's look at a simple technique that will help you as you offer feedback to your peers, which was introduced in the book, Facilitating Learning with the Adult Brain in Mind. Here is the PQP feedback technique. 1. Start with praise. You want to be specific about what they did well. 2. Ask a clarification question about the content. For example, what is the reason that you chose this type of introduction? 3rd, end with polish. In other words, offer specific suggestions on areas that need some improvement. It's important to remember that even if our feedback is well constructed, meaningful, and thoughtful, most adults will initially experience feedback as critique. As you receive feedback from instructors or peers, consider what you've learned in this video. Well-meaning feedback is given to improve your skills, and as best you can, try to see it as a way to learn and transform your teaching.